Thank you, Naran, for all that introductory flavors which you are giving. Hello, students, and good afternoon, all the officers and the ladies. It's a very nostalgic moment today as I stand in front of you with the same tie. In fact, I adore this tie. It's the same tie I used to wear when I was like you. I studied in this school from class 3 onwards, and finally we were the first batch of ICSE. As Dhava has told you, those were the days वो वक्त हुआ करता था जब हर में हम लोग NDA के लिए अप्लाई करते थे. We used to appear for so many of us. In his case, it was the whole class who appeared. In our case also, the similar thing followed. And आप लोग बहुत लोग यहाँ बैठे होंगे सोच रहे होंगे what motivates us, what motivated us. I'll give you an example. In his batch, in his class only, Dhava, he was one class senior to us. And there was another student called Desai, who later on retired as a Brigadier Desai. I mean, he had top NDA written examination. And our assembly which used to be here, I remember the headmaster, Mr. Joseph, he has held him high here, and in front of all of us, in front of the whole school, this achievement was made, and that literally motivated us to join. कि यहाँ पे जाना है तो ये लगे जाना और देश के लिए सेवा करना. That spirit we had. I was speaking to one of the students here. मैंने कहा कि कितने बच्चे हैं जो आगे after 12th have joined the services. I mean, they were hardly in. So I do not know how the spirit has died on, but we are here today to motivate you. That remember, आप लोग याद रखिए कि if you have that adventure in you, it is the armed forces. If you want to get respect in your life, it is the armed forces who join that. If you want to do well in your sports, Neeraj Chopra is the latest example. I mean, he was also an expert. I used to ask him, can you break his record of 88 meters? So, join the armed forces. Armed forces gives you a lot of respect for your ladies, respect for your children. And today, when I walk around here in the city, whether you are wearing the uniform or not, a soldier is recognized from far. Because why? Because soldier never dies. Same way Franciscans will remain Franciscans. A soldier will remain a soldier throughout his life. And the dignity which you get, even at the time of the last year, your funeral time, it's really great, it's really honor. अगर आपको चाहिए वो हासिल करना है, तो naturally you have to join the armed forces. And it's available at the very doorstep to you. It's available after class 12. Appear for NDA. There is another entry at class 12. Technical entry scheme TS, for which there is no written exam. What you have to achieve is just 90% plus in your PCL, and you should have just appeared for the JEE exam. You can appear, come for the SSB. My last posting was Kannad SSB, where all the interviews are held. If you have to go join the armed forces, I mean, you will have to pass through, you will have to do your SSB, your interview. And let me tell you, it is the best interview in this whole country, whole world, I would say. Because it is not just talking one-to-one interview. Service Selection Board you have to face, it's a 5 days affair. And that is how the best of the breed is selected. From our class, I remember, we are almost 14 of us who are in the armed forces. We joined armed forces. And I take this as a pride occasion to announce that almost 6 of us became major generals and lieutenant generals. And in the various fields, it is not only in military art, but also in the medical sector. And they are really doing wonders. तो मेहनत आपने करनी है, जोश होना चाहिए देश के लिए कुछ करने के लिए. Not only देश, other than self, do something else. मेरे को 4 लाइनें याद आती हैं एक कवि की कि टूटने बिखरने का चलन मान लिया. I mean, you will ask me कि ऐसा क्या था कि हमने सर्विस से ज्वाइन किया. 4 लाइनें हैं उसके लिए कि टूटने बिखरने का चलन मान लिया, हमने हालात से शीशे का वजन मान लिया. हम भी खड़े थे तकदीर के दरवाजे पर 12th के बाद, लोगों ने दौलत पे गिरे, लोग दौलत पे गिरे और हमने वतन मान लिया। That is the hairline difference to what you want. You have to choose today. Boys, you have to choose today what you want to become. Do you want पैसा? पैसा तो कहीं ना कहीं किसी के क्षेत्र में जाओगे, रिक्शे वाला भी कमा लेता है. But if you want the honor and the dignity, join the armed forces. I am telling you, that is the best service, best area in India. It is not only the respect. तो मेहनत करिए, I am quite sure आप लोग कामयाब होंगे और मेहनत ऐसी करिए, इतनी खामोशी से करिए कि आपकी सफलता शोर मचाए, न कि आपकी मेहनत। जीवन में एक चीज ध्यान रखिए कि आपका मूल्य किससे जाना जाता है। आपका मूल्य इससे नहीं जाना जाता है कि आप क्या हैं। योर वैल्यू इज नॉट टोल्ड व्हाट यू आर। ये इससे होता है कि आप खुद क्या बनाने की क्षमता रखते हैं। What capability you have, that's what matters. And in the end, I just say कि जिसने खुद को खर्च कर दिया मतलब जिसने मेहनत करके अपना नाम कमाया, शौहरत कमाई, नॉट पैसा, कि जिसने खुद को खर्च कर दिया, दुनिया ने उसी को गूगल पर सर्च किया। Remember these words and do well. All the best to you. And in the next batch, let's see more of you joining the armed forces. Jai Hind.